Teachings of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Teachings of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Submission to the will of God. Guru Nanak Dev Ji gave the message of Hukam Hriday Chalna Nanak Likha Nal. Guru Nanak Dev Ji says that everything happens by God's grace. So rest assured that God knows better what is right or wrong for us. We should therefore accept His decision without any worry. There is one God, our Creator, the Creator of heaven and earth, the Creator of universe. Guruji explained clearly that there is only one God who gives to everyone and we should not forget to Him. Guruji said that I am a follower of God, which spoke about his belief in one God. In Sikhism, the God is shapeless, timeless, and sightless. Sikhism stresses that before creation there was God. The God in Sikhism is not male or female and can only be seen through the inward eye. Shun the five evils. The evils of ego, anger, greed, attachment, and lust gravitate you towards Maya and hinder your spiritual progress. According to him, the true meaning of life is attained when one achieves oneness with the Supreme Being. When one gets rid of these five evils, one becomes closer to God. Practice the three principles of spiritual life. Vand chakna, kirat karna, naam japna. Guru Nanak Dev Ji gave us the message that we should share with others without any personal profit. We should earn with honesty and not by the evil ways. And we should also remember God limitlessly. Equality. Shun away all discrimination against people based on race, status, and caste. Equality is one of the most important lessons that can be driven by Guru Nanak Dev Ji's life, and they saw all human beings as equals. Guru Nanak Dev Ji never differentiated between human beings based on their caste, color, status, creed, and also financial status. If we were to imbibe this simple principle and recognize all the human race as one, the world would be much better place. Service for all mankind, selfless service to all human beings. Guruji says that no one can save other people. It is the only Guru who guides us to safety and who is saved. One has to follow the right path of Seva and Simran told by him. Seva means selfless service, serving the other without any personal profit. Guruji is not to be found in large palaces. He lives with poor. If we recite Gurbani with love, we will find the Guru is speaking to us. We have to be reminded of his observations many times in our life. The aim of betterness service, serving the other without any greed or personal profit. According to him, Seva was the source of immense spiritual satisfaction. Sach Sunesi Sach Ki Bella. Speak the truth. We should always speak the truth without any stress and also any worry. According to him, the victory of truth is not dependent on ending but in standing firmly by truth. That is why Guru Nanak Dev Ji exhorts that to stick to the truth.